Hey, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be working on my 2001 Ford F-150 Lightning. So as you guys see, the bed is kind of beat up, so I bought this bed coating kit from Amazon. It's a custom coat truck bed liner texture coating. That's what it says on the box. So I'm going to clean out this bed. I'm going to prep it by using a sanding brush that's used for truck beds. Scuff it up, and then we'll spray it with like adhesion promoter and another spray that prevents rust and any rust spots and stuff. So after I sand those spots, I can coat it with this, so a bare metal won't rust under the truck bed liner. So yeah, we're gonna get started, and thanks for checking out my video. So what I did, I just blew out the biggest, the most dirt out of the bed, and now I'm just taking off the bed cover, so it's held on with these little like clips. So I'm just gonna take them all off around the bed, and then I'll pressure wash it and sand it. So now I'm gonna pressure wash the bed, get all the dirt off, and then we'll get to sanding. Dry now, and we'll have to address this rust spot and sand the whole bed with that sanding brush. So now I'm going to use this brush to rough up the paint on the bed of the truck.
center, rules you bet in your black magic. Already by the next day you had me on your pillow, wrapped around your finger. You're a pretty devil, seducing every level of decency inside me, evenly dividing me. Everything I'm choosing and every grip I'm losing, it's all about what you want and what you need and what you're getting. Nothing more confusing to cover up abusing. With every kiss you said, or rules you read in your black magic. Don't you give me your black magic? 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 Don't you give me your black magic?
So overall, I like the way it came out, but I recommend, even if you're doing a small bed, get the 6 bottle kit, not the 4 bottle kit. Because in some spots you can still see the paint under it. So yeah, I think the 6 is a perfect amount, even for like a small bed truck.